Hello, kiddos. I am wearing my music shirt today so I can make some music for you. Keeps me warm when I'm making music. Alright, so I told you that I would probably try and get some green and red. I don't know how you'd... What does that do? Nothing? Make my face less white? I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes it changes. Ooh, there it goes. Hey, I guess gotta get in the recliner. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to talk about making Jingle Bells sound a little better than it did last time by adding the 2-finger chord in there. So we're going to do that. So remember last time, 1-finger chord was the G, C for you soprano little bitty ukulele players. And then the 3-finger chord, which was like that, was the D, or the G for the little ukulele players. The G and D. Today we're going to do C, it's also called F, for the soprano ukuleles. But it's this blue one here on the 2nd string, and that one there. And remember that if you don't practice changing the chords, then it's not, you're going to be pretending to play the ukulele instead of really doing it. You got to practice. Practice doesn't, you just can't do it without practice, kiddos. You got to practice. So now what you got to do is, before we went back and forth from 1-finger to 3-finger, now we're going to kind of throw the 2-finger in there somehow. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. Then you got to change them up. Now I went to the 3-finger, and I'm going to go to the 2-finger. Switch. See? Switch. Went back to the G in 1-finger. Switch. 3-finger. Switch. Okay. Now, for today's lesson, it will help you a lot if you would go to the internet and find you the lyrics to Jingle Bells. Print it off if you can, because you'll want to make some notes with what I'm saying. If you have a phone or a tablet or something and you just want to use the words from that works, but you're not going to be able to mark it really. Yeah, so you might forget what you're supposed to do. So, anywho, you want to try and have that when we're doing these songs, because I'm going to tell you where you're supposed to put the chord changes. Now these are called chords because we have more than one note, 4 of them on a ukulele to be exact, that makes the music. Remember, if you have plunks, that's not right. Get your fingers off the strings they're not supposed to be on, and make sure they're curved and curled so they're not touching the strings except the string that they're on. And then the 2-finger. So, for those of you who like the numbers, here we go. Jingle, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we're going to change to the 2-finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch back to the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then switch to the 3-finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, you watch my fingers? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1. Okay? Rewind that and watch that over and over again to get the math of the music there. Pay attention. This is what this 2-finger. I can't see where your fingers are at, Mr. Down. I'm lost. I don't know what to do. Calm down. Look at how my hand looks. That looks different than this. And it looks different than this. Right? Oh yeah, looks different. So when you see this shape, this is the 3-finger chord. Looks like a fist with my knuckle sticking out at you. And the 2-finger chord has the 1st finger sticking out. So when you see that, you know where my fingers are at. You know, mark these on yours so you know where it's at. And then the 1 finger, the fingers are up. Wiggly, wiggly. Okay, now for those of you who are not the mathy types, who don't like to count but need to just write it down on a piece of paper, this is where you get your music out, the words from the interweb or wherever, a book, maybe you have a book with it in there and you can put a little mark. Okay? Now, this is G, C, it's a 2-finger, and D is the 3-finger. You can mark it that way, or you can mark it 1-finger, 2-finger, 3-finger chords. By putting a 1, a 2, or a 3. Whatever works for you. Okay, so jingle bells, this is 1. Jingle all the way. And then, oh, what fun, you're going to switch to the 2-finger chord. C. Oh, what fun it is. You're going to switch back to the G, or the 1-finger. Is to ride. And then in a 1, you go to the 3-finger chord or the D. 1-horse open sleigh. Hey! Go back to the 1. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, 2-finger. Oh, what fun. Back to 1. It is to ride. And then to the 3-finger. 1 to D. Horse open sleigh. Hey! Now, let me do it for you, straight through. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 1-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 1-horse open sleigh. Just like that. Piece of cake. Mr. Dunn, who are you yelling at? Well, since you asked, I've got this flashlight that won't sing. And so I'm yelling at him to sing, 'cause he won't sing. He just stares at me. At least he's got a smile. Okay, so remember. 1-finger chord, then to a 2-finger chord, then to a 1-finger chord, then to the 3-finger chord, then back to the 1-finger chord, and then it does it all over again. So catch me when we get there. I'm going to do the verse again. And remember, when my middle knuckle's sticking out, that's the 3-finger. When my 1st finger is sticking out to the knuckle, that's the 2-finger chord. And when I got floppy fingers, that's the 1-finger chord. Use your 3rd finger, not your 1st one. It will come in handy later on. Dashing, dash, dash, dash. Pff, dash, dashing through the snow in a 1-horse open sleigh. Can you tell which one it is? O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song to join with me. Oh, that's the 3-finger chord. Jingle bells, jingle all Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Let's try it again. Dashing through the snow, oh no, in a one-horse open sleigh. Hooray! O'er the fields we go, woohoo! Laughing all the way. Ho, 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 ho. Bell on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Practice that. You don't need your Halloween flashlight, but you do need to practice. Okay, I'm going to give you a little teaser for next time. A little heads up for what we're going to be doing. And you need to start getting the first finger, and you're going to take your thumb, you're going to play the top string. And you're going to take these three fingers, wiggly, 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 and you're going to go. There you go. Thumb, 3, 2, 1. Thumb, 3, 2, 1. Thumb, 3, 2, 1. Thumb. Okay. Just keep practicing that. Okay. Or this one. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Practice that for next week. Okay? Okay. See you next time.